So I had to learn these things. And as you learn being a father, when you learn being a father, when you learn something, you want to do it. Because it's kind of, it's fun now since I got it. And then it come repetition. It come repetition because my son looked forward for me sitting back there saying, son, pick that bat up. Let's go. My daughter looking forward for me saying, hey, pump them knees. Hey, all the way through, girl, let's fight. Why? Because I'm used to being there.
265-009.
214263, Dallas my name.
Yours could be different. And then Dallas, you share some that give them some tools and tips when it comes to a relationship you could talk on. Cause everybody's situation gonna be different. But just know you got that relationship with yourself, you're gonna have them old environments and your partners you're gonna have to deal with. And then it's gonna be something else. Whether it's family, whether it's kids, whether it's your baby mama, baby daddy,
My relationship, man. I can't say that I had to build one back because I was the one that I always was. I say it all the time, I'm the little big brother. I'm the one that they always gonna call when things get tight. I'm the one that always got some positive to say. I'm the one that I'm the life of life when I come around. So my build relationship, it wasn't really never tore up. It was tore up with mine with knowing now that becoming a new person and how to become a new person. How to become a father. How to become a working man. How to come to pull my pants up. How to come to not saying anything out my mouth. How to come to now that I don't smoke no blunts no more. How I come to now that I don't sell no work no more. So everything that for me was anew. This thing that now it's time for me to put what I learned in SAP. Time for me to put that to work. What I learned in fatherhood, it's time for me to put that to work. So that was like something was a hard task. And with it being a hard task, I had never did it. I seen people do it. So in that breath too, I had a lot of trials and tribulations, a lot of mess ups, a lot of hiccups. I ain't know how to be no daddy. I saw my daddy, but what I saw my daddy do, man, let's be honest, to me now, that wasn't being a daddy. But I could say, as I got older and as me and him talk now, he was just doing what he was taught. He was just doing because his dad went in his life. He felt like, son, I bought you a bike for Christmas. But Dad, you wasn't there when Christmas morning? Yeah, you bought me a bike. You see what I'm saying?
So you saying that time.
It's the time.
Yeah.
It's the time, and with the time it's the time because, man, we just come off a trip. And you know it. I had a daughter running track and a son playing baseball. I enjoyed the trip. But guess what? I wanted to be there with them too now. This baby girl, first summer track, baby boy made All-Star. And they played from Thursday to Sunday and Daddy wasn't there. And I do not miss a practice or game. So I had to learn these things. And as you learn being a father, when you learn something, you want to do it. Because it's kind of, it's fun now since I got it. And then it come repetition. It come repetition because my son looked forward for me sitting back there saying, son, pick that bat up. Let's go. My daughter looking forward for me saying, hey, pump them knees. Hey, all the way through, girl, let's fight. Why? Because I'm used to being there. I'm not used to being on the block no more. But I'm gonna tell you something, man, and it's the mind state that come with it. And I'm keeping it what we call, because what we talk about is where we been and what we going through now. I still ride through my same neighborhood. I don't stop. Sometimes I stop if it's somebody I know, but it's stopping in the car still and drive. What up, boy? What y'all doing? Are you good? How your mom and them doing? Everybody good? And as I'm leaving, I just said, thank you, God. But when I go down there, first time I be saying in my head, boy, they need the biggest bulldozer they can find and knock this place down. That's the first time I say. Then I ride on through there and I see people that I used to be, that know. And I throw my hand up and whatnot, and they'll tell me. See, my biggest something that I'm never gonna let them trick me like it's me. That, hey man, you doing good, man. I ain't saw you in a minute. It's not me, man, it's God that's in me. I need to try. But it's how I have to say that to them. I don't say, hey, you need to try him. I said, man, it ain't me, man. It's God, man. If it were me, man, my way, I'd be right out here with y'all. But God sees something else in my life for me. He got something else planned for me. He got something planned for y'all too. So, that's mine.
That's a fact.
Yeah.
So look, y'all heard it. Relationships. Show us 5 of your friends will tell you your future. And also that you might have to restore a bill, or you just have to become new with that mindset, that self-awareness, to be able to be that successful citizen in society, business owner, family man, family woman, whatever your goal is, that's gonna be a part of your journey.
And you can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it.
We just y'all blueprint and roadmap, and we're gonna see y'all soon.
So this one here, man, is kind of a touching one here, man. This one here a touching one, man. My oldest son, man, I made my oldest son in this same neighborhood, what they saying, being grown, girl being fast, I doing things I ain't have